pagyayaman. Kasi hindi naman ikaw yung makakaalam na pogi ka. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Kung kapatid, tayo ay natitipon upang ipagdiwang ang banal na Eucharistia at masaksihan ang sakramento ng pag-iisang dibdib nila Aldrin Melbourne at Flora Maria. Bilang isang sambayan ng Kristiyano, pinapaalala natin sa kanilang dalawa ang tawag sa kabanalan at katapatan bilang mag-asawa.
Ba't ganon?
Alain mo yan. Hanapin.
Hindi ko pa alam.
That I crave in this life, 'cause we're everything we can't find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're
Sa'yo,
yours.
yes. Yung pinili ko kasi neutral yung color.
Thank
you. Thank you very much.
Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you.
Ako, okay. Ako ba to? Today is our wedding day, and before anything else, I want to thank God, of course. Siya yung nagbigay sa akin sa'yo at ikaw din para sa akin.
Isang simpleng tanong pero galing sa puso. Sa saya man o sa bad trip na araw, pangako kong nandito ako, kasama mo sa bawat sandali.
Yours to be held, and I want you. I want you.
Thank you.
Keep my heart and my honor is yours.
Ay, thank you ah. Bibigyan kita ng mas madaming time dahil dito.
Waki. Nay, Waki. Today, punong-puno ako ng pagpapasalamat kay God. You are the most patient person I have ever met. Your gentle heart have shown me what love is.
Ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin, Flo. Ito na talaga.
You're in my sight and my mind, in the quiet and the upfront out loud, in the calm, in my spirit and the storm. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only
Thank you for loving and choosing me every day and all the time. Mahal na mahal kita.
Sa bawat araw na magkasama tayo, pipiliin kita palagi sa bawat hakbang, tawa at luha.